it's Mario. Welcome back to the channel. How's it going? We're continuing Shinedown's Sounds of Madness with Sin with a Grin. I want to thank Dave 1DO1994. I think that's his name, if I'm saying it correctly. Forgive me if I'm not. Shameless plugins. EV Soldier 96's Gaming is where you go for gaming content from me. I have a Patreon where you will see a album review of Sounds of Madness, because I know I haven't done one for Sounds of Madness yet. What do you think of me doing this on OBS? Do you think it's good? Do you think it's bad? Because, this is pretty much how I'm going to do it from now on. It's probably going to be easier for me if YouTube doesn't give me too much crap once I release the album. Hopefully, I've turned things down enough where they won't give me any crap. Hopefully. I'm just going to have to keep testing it, playing with it. So give me some time to play with it, and hopefully we'll figure this out. Alright, let's go to Shinedown. And for the video, Dave1DO1994 for the lyrics video. Thank you for letting me use your video in this, in my videos. I appreciate it. Here we go with Sin with a Grin. Oh, look at agony. Force-fed, passed down time release. I'm inspired to find the liar. Blacklist eggs down the back of its soulful man. I've got ways you can understand. Look left, look right, but I'm behind you. I've never noticed until I focus on everything you did. You said you lit the fuse inside my head. Thank you for reminding me of what I'm sick inside. Thank you for the venom. Did you say you were paralyzed? The scars, a scratch, a tear, all there under my skin, where they've always been. Thank you, you reminded me of Sin with a Grin. Standing twisted to buckle. Built your house but forgot to lock the door. I'm inside with two black eyes. I have not one shred of sympathy. I have no use for apologies. I'm inspired to find the liar. I've never noticed until I focused on everything you did. You said you lit the fuse inside my head. Thank you for reminding me of what I'm sick inside. Thank you for the venom. Did you think you would paralyze? These scars, a scratch, a tear, all there under my skin, where you've always been. Thank you for reminding me to sin with a grin. Huh. That reminds me of someone I know. I won't say who. Reminding me of what I'm sick inside. Thank you for reminding me. Think it was paralyzed. The scars, a scratch, a tear, all there under my skin, where you've always been. Thank you for reminding me of why I'm sick inside. Thank you for the venom. Did you think it would paralyze? Scars, a scratch, a tear, all there under my skin, where you've always been. Thank you for reminding me to sin with a grin. Sin with a grin. Sin with a grin. Sin with a grin. Alright, Sin with a Grin. quirks and all. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I enjoyed making it for you. Like I said, quirks and all. I know I messed up in a few places. Quite a few places, I'm sure. But I'm playing with this. It's like playing with a new toy and trying to figure it out. I am not the best with technology, so when the dude at Walmart tells me, "Oh, you should just record on OBS," I'm like, "Shh, excuse me, achoo, like what? What Chinese language are you talking about?" "Oh, just watch some YouTube videos, you'll figure it out." Hopefully, I did, because YouTube does not like me using other people's music. I get why, but jeez. Alright, I hope you enjoyed. I'll see y'all next time. Peace.